I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World, appointed by God. Today, God has invited us spiritual souls at God's house and teaches us excellent lessons for benefit of entire humanity and pleasureful life for all living beings in the world. God has teaches us about God's plan, and after that God has instructed us to convey this beautiful message to entire humanity living in 7 beautiful world. This message is as under: as per God's plans, usefulness of all religions, worships, prayers, systems, importance of all religions places, messages of all religions books, then usefulness of spiritualities, its techniques, places of spiritualities, message of all spiritual practices from spiritual hearts, usefulness of all religions, worship, prayers, systems. Such outer physical religions, worships, prayers, systems gives only mental happiness for some times only. When people do such practices and during these practices only, after then mental happiness disappears from their minds, from their feelings, because such practices are only performed by human bodies and physically. So, these effects will not remain permanently, but it is only temporary feelings. Nowadays, religion techniques only ways of livings, art of livings, regarding marriages, practices, food types and food systems, physical rules and regulations only. Nowadays, such religion practices and techniques only teaches is limited. Importance of religious places. People can meet together at religion places and prayers together as teaches in their religious books. These outer physically religions are related human bodies and parts of gives only. These outer physical religions are related human bodies and human parts, so gives only mental peace and happiness and entertainment during such practices, not permanent time. Such physical practices cannot generate spiritual energy and not store such spiritual energies in hearts. Now, message of all religions books is, "O human beings, be good person and do noble acts and noble works with all creations in seven beautiful worlds, so himself get happiness and give happiness to all living beings in seven beautiful worlds." These common messages are given in all spiritual books, in all religion. Now, usefulness of spirituality's practices, systems, techniques. These practices are related with spiritual hearts, souls, and God. In spiritual practices, God's name installed in spiritual hearts, activation and opening of spiritual hearts by spiritual powers and guidance of spiritual masters. Divine love and energy generates in spiritual hearts. Then this divine energy spread in entire human bodies through blood circulations. Lower selves and all celestial souls will purify and become fully divine powers. After then, such spiritual practitioners will get capacities for spiritual journey by spiritual powers in all places in seven beautiful worlds and reaches up to God's house. Such spiritual persons can meet with God and become equal to God. 2. Places of spiritual practices. Human beings' spiritual hearts are main places in spiritual practices. That means human beings' spiritual hearts are main places in spiritual practices. These practices are going on inside of human hearts. Normal person cannot see such practices by their physical eyes. Spiritual masters, spiritual powers, and spiritual knowledges and systems and techniques are main sources for divine energies. In these spiritual practices, money and material things are not necessary. These techniques teaches free of charge, unconditionally, and on platform of divine love only. Even though very few people can choose such spiritual path, this spiritual path is full of examinations. So many people left their path between their spiritual journey. Message of spiritual hearts. O human beings, we are creations. We all are creations of lovely and beautiful creations of only God, only one God. The message of spiritual hearts is, all human beings, we all creations are lovely and beautiful creations of only one God. We all people must learn and then do such spiritual practices so that we can understand importance of all creations, values of all creations. We can get knowledge about human bodies, souls, corporeal world, and about all seven beautiful worlds. What are going on in all places in seven beautiful worlds? Who are workforces in seven beautiful worlds? What are the relationship among all creations and with God as a creator? We must love to God because God is loving His all creations equally without any discriminations. So we must love to all creations and God without any discriminations and with equally. God's religion is love. So automatically our all human beings and all souls religion is also the love. So the main message of spirituality is love to God and love its all beautiful creations without any discriminations. Then you feel to be loved from God, and entire creations are living in seven beautiful worlds. This message received from House of the God. I am just conveying this message as a servant of God and as a servant of you all, as a mother of the world appointed by God. This message not came from my own mind. Just I am performing my duty. So I am request to all people of the world, please share your experiences from your noble lives, your noble experiences, your noble techniques, your noble knowledge and noble ideas, noble thoughts on my WhatsApp number, so that I can spread, I can deliver your all experiences in all humanity in seven beautiful world. So please share your experiences on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is +91 9898 375 375. I am also praying to Almighty Supreme God. Hey God, please make your showers of blessings on all human beings and all living beings in the world, so that we can get healthy, wealthy and happy lives in this corporeal world and seven beautiful worlds too. And nowadays all humanity can come out from the dangerous coronavirus situation in all countries in the world. Please make your blessings and shower of all powers from your house, so that all humanity can get pleasureful life. We will meet from time to time at the time of delivering such messages from House of the God. Goodbye. I am praying for all humanity and all living beings in seven beautiful world, for be happy, healthy, wealthy and happiness for all living beings in seven beautiful world. We will meet from time to time. Up to next time, please, I am getting your permission to leave after this message. Goodbye. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.